Okay, today I give you the corrections for the class test on the R formula. So first and foremost, you notice right that this is theta. So by vertically opposite angles, this is theta as well. Alright, they want you to show that the QRST is parameter of QRST is equals to 24 plus 10 sine theta plus cosine theta. So first, right, we know that QR, basically I can say that QR is equals to PT plus TS. That's QR. So PT, how do we get PT? Here, theta, adjacent and hypotenuse. So I say that cosine theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. PT equals to 10 cosine theta. Alright. Similarly, if you want to find the value of TS, this is 7. Okay, so you need to find TS already. Okay, so that is QR. We're done with QR. Okay, SR. Okay, SR is equals to PQ. So opposite hypotenuse. So I say that sine theta is equals to opposite, which is PQ, over hypotenuse, which is 10. PQ is equals to SR is equals to 10 sine theta. Then you have all the ingredients required, right, to find QRST, sorry. So to present the working, what I do here is I say this: QR is equals to PT plus TS. Okay, so cosine theta is equals to PT over 10. PT equals to 10 cosine theta. Similarly, just now I also said that sine theta is equals to PQ over 10. PQ, alright, is equals to 10 sine theta. Then first we say QR. Okay, so we say QRST is equals to QT plus TS plus SR, okay, plus QR. So QT, alright, is 10. TS is given as 7. SR is equals to PQ, which is 10 sine theta, plus lastly QR is PT plus TS. Okay, PT plus TS, so it's 10 cosine theta plus another 7. If you add up everything, you'll find that you get 24 plus 10 sine theta plus 10 cosine theta. And that concludes part A of your corrections. Simple enough, I think. Alright, part B, it is this. I'm actually quite glad many of you were able to do this part. Okay, express the parameter of QRS in the form K plus R sine theta plus alpha. So basically it's this. First, this part I keep it as so. Alright, the part that can be expressed as R sine theta will be this part here and this part here. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to do is apply the R formula to 10 sine theta plus 10 cosine theta. So very quickly now, my R value is equals to 10 square plus 10 square. My R value is equals to square root of 200. Next thing is how to find alpha. Tangent alpha, okay, is equals to, in this case B over A is 10 over 10. Alpha is 45 degrees. So this thing can be written as 24 plus square root 200 sine theta plus 45 degrees. And I'm done, okay, with part B. Now they ask us to find the parameter for which QRST, this is QRST. They say that QRST is equals to 35 cm. So what I do here simply is this: I say 24 plus square root 200 sine theta plus 45 degrees is equals to 35 cm. Simplifying, I get root 200 sine theta plus 45 degrees is equals to 35 minus 24, which is 11. Sine theta plus 45 degrees is 11 over square root of 200. Okay, so far so good. Then now, okay, to solve this thing, what I do here is I take the calculator here. Okay, degree mode, yes, degree mode. I inverse sine 11 over root 200, like this. I get 51.061 as my basic angle. Sine is a positive ratio in this case. So what we have is in the first quadrant 51.061 degrees, or here second quadrant 51.061 degrees. So quickly I write theta plus 45 degrees is equals to this angle here, 51.061 degrees, or it can also be equals to 180 minus 51.061, which is 128.939 degrees. Then you minus 45 degrees for both. Okay, 51.061 minus 45, we get 6.1 degrees, or the other possible value is 83.9 degrees. Both are also possible. In this case, they are both acute angles. Can? Okay, now I will go to part C. Part C, remember that QRST is equals to 24 plus square root of 200 sine theta plus 45 degrees. Okay, maximum value. Okay, maximum value will occur. Okay, max value will occur when we have 24 plus square root of 200 times 1. Why times 1? Because sine theta, okay, the sine function, the maximum value is 1. Okay, so what we have here is my maximum value, if you evaluate it, is 38.1 cm. Now the next question is this. What value of the angle sine of what will give you 1? Okay, if you remember, if you draw the graph, okay, 90 degrees will give you the value of 1. So basically sine 90, so this whole bracket here must be equals to 90, will give me the 1 down here. So I say theta plus 45 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. You just solve simply, it will be equals to 45 degrees. You check, if you put in theta is 45, 45 plus 45 will give me 90. Sine 90 will give me 1 times root 200 plus 24. The common error that many of you made is you did not add the 24, you just blindly copy down the square root 200. And that is my working, okay, or my explanation for the class test on our formula.